Well, there's been yet another tragedy in Africa caused by unsafe medication. Recently, 66 children in the Gambia died after taking tainted cough syrup. The cough syrup was manufactured by a company in India called Maiden Pharmaceuticals. There were 4 actual cough syrup formulations involved, and 2 of those cough syrups actually included the phrase baby cough syrup in the name of the product. It's being reported that laboratory analyses of the 4 products involved reveal that those 4 products contain ethylene glycol and diethylene glycol, which are both toxic to humans and can be fatal. These contaminants cause an array of harmful and negative physical symptoms, including abdominal pain, headache, diarrhea, vomiting, inability to pass urine, and acute kidney injury, which can lead to death. And in fact, it's being reported that the 66 children at issue actually died from kidney injury. Now, upon looking further into this situation, I found it really concerning that that Indian pharmaceutical company has a track record of poor quality, of not having proper quality controls. And in fact, one of the Indian officials questioned why the company was even allowed to export those cough syrup products to Gambia in light of its poor quality record. And looking at the clip I just showed, you can see that there have been quality concerns with this Maiden Pharmaceuticals in India dating all the way back to 2008. And their quality record is so poor that Vietnam actually banned its products from 2011 to 2013. Now, apparently, the pharmaceutical company is reporting that it only supplied these products to the Gambia, which blows my mind anyway. But of course, the World Health Organization and other officials are concerned that the cough syrups may have been distributed to other countries through informal transmission methods. And now Gambia has started a door-to-door campaign in its rural areas to go out and collect those cough syrups. So here we're seeing yet again that substandard and poor quality pharmaceutical products are being supplied to Africa with devastating results. Somehow, somewhere, we've got to do better. Well,